In today's video, I'm going to teach you GetFormly form design tips. We'll start by opening GetFormly, logging in, and either selecting an existing form or creating a new one to follow along. The goal here is simple: make your form look professional without making it feel complicated. A good form should be clean, easy to understand, and quick for people to complete. Once your form is open, go into the design or customization settings, take a look at the available layouts or themes, and choose one that feels clean and spacious. Extra spacing between questions makes a big difference because it helps respondents move through the form without feeling overwhelmed. In general, simpler layouts are easier to read and navigate. Next, add a clear form title. Keep it short, descriptive, and direct. A title like Customer Feedback Form works well because it immediately tells people what the form is for. Try to avoid titles that are too long or too vague. Under the title, write a short introduction. This is where you briefly explain the purpose of the form, what respondents should expect, and if it makes sense, how long it may take to complete. Keep this concise. A short, helpful intro builds trust, while large blocks of text can make people lose interest. Now review your questions. Make sure the formatting stays consistent from start to finish. Use the same writing style and tone throughout. Keep the wording short and direct, and make similar questions look and read in a similar way. If there are extra instructions that aren't necessary, remove them to reduce clutter. Then check that each question uses the right field type. Use short text for brief answers, long text for detailed responses, email fields for email addresses, multiple choice when there are only a few options, drop downs for longer lists, and rating fields when you want people to evaluate something. Choosing the correct format makes the form faster and easier to complete. If you want to try GetFormly for yourself, you can use the affiliate link in the description to create your own professional forms. From there, add branding carefully. A logo can help, and brand colors can make the form feel polished, but keep everything subtle so the questions remain the focus. Also make sure your colors are readable. Choose strong contrast between the background and text, and preview the form after making color changes. Avoid over-designing. Too many images, colors, or effects can distract from the purpose of the form. If your form is long, organize it into logical sections, group related questions together, place basic information first, and use conditional logic when appropriate so people only see relevant questions. Review which fields truly need to be required and only mark essential ones that way. Then customize the thank you screen with a message that matches the tone of the form. Finally, preview the full design and review the title, spacing, colors, logo, question formatting, buttons, and thank you screen. Test it on both desktop